how to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing your issue where you can simply are not being able to log into your Yahoo Mail account, and then in that case what you need to do is first just head over to yahoo.com login page just like this and just try to enter your registered username, email or mobile number. As you can see in my case it's not recognizing this email, so I'll simply enter my other email and simply click on next. And once I enter it, it will send me a verification code and this mail, so I'll simply enter it. And as you can see, it has sent me the code from over here, which is this one. And just like that, I should be able to sign in to my account. But if you are still not being able to sign in, you can simply come back and click on forget your password option, or you can also click on this help button at the if you're using website. And once you click on this help, once you click on help, you just have to head over to this password and login option or over here and enter or search in for the option which is in which you are having a problem. As you can see, I've just head over to another page and here I found my problem, which is with this one over here. I'm having a login problem, so you just tap on this and just make sure to read it, everything written over here, and just follow the instruction. If it's related to your password, you can just reset it as I mentioned earlier. And if your account has been hacked or compromised, you need to contact the Yahoo Mail Service Center officially by simply heading over to this contact us button over here and just click on this contact customer support or service over here. Choose the options that is regarding password and login since we are facing login problem. And once again, just click on this option over here. And you can try this login assistant over here, and which will tell you to enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, just like this, they will try to reset your password by providing a reset link to your password to your Gmail account, and you can easily reset it just like that. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.